Welcome to our channel. Today we're bringing you the full and exciting details of the brand new 2025 Tata Magic 12-seater van. Whether you're looking for a reliable family vehicle or a practical option for commercial use, this van might just be the perfect solution. Stick with us till the end for all the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. The 2025 Tata Magic has been designed with both comfort and utility in mind. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban and semi-urban roads while providing ample space for up to 12 passengers. The exterior looks simple yet practical, with upgraded front headlights, stronger body panels, and bold Tata badging giving it a fresh and modern appeal. Under the hood, the new Magic is powered by a BS6 compliant diesel engine that offers excellent fuel efficiency along with enough torque to carry heavy loads with ease. The engine is designed for low maintenance, helping you save money in the long run. With a manual transmission, it ensures better control and smoother handling even on rough terrains. Step inside, and you'll find improved seating comfort, wider legroom, and decent headspace for all 12 occupants. The new model features sliding windows, high roof, and better insulation for a quieter cabin experience. Tata has also included improved suspension for smoother rides, especially when fully loaded. For safety, the 2025 Tata Magic includes front disc brakes, seat belts for every passenger, and a stronger chassis designed to absorb impact. The dashboard is kept simple and functional with an easy-to-read instrument cluster and accessible controls. With a turning radius that suits narrow city lanes and impressive mileage that keeps your costs low, the Tata Magic 12-seater is a practical choice for schools, tour operators, or local businesses needing daily transport solutions. This van stands out for its reliability, low running costs, and Tata's trusted after-sales service network across the country. Whether you're an individual buyer or running a fleet, this van promises value for every rupee spent. Thanks for watching this full overview of the 2025 Tata Magic 12-seater van. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you think of the new Tata Magic and whether you'd consider it for your business or family. See you in the next video.